Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by salting the cabbage to remove water and concentrate flavor so fermentation works. Cut, layer, and sprinkle 1/4 cup coarse salt. Let sit 1-2 hours until limp and briny. Once limp, rinse twice to avoid over-salty kimchi, then drain for 10-15 minutes. While it drains, combine your seasoning paste, 1/2 cup gochugaru, 2 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 cloves garlic, 1 thumb ginger, and 1/4 cup water. Blend to a spreadable paste. Once your paste is ready, you season each leaf and layer thoroughly so flavors penetrate. Add 1 cup julienne Korean radish and 4 sliced scallions for texture and sugar to feed bacteria. Make sure to wear gloves and massage the paste into leaves. This helps distribute microbes and breaks down structure for better fermentation. Then, pack the mixture tightly into a clean jar, pressing down to expel air pockets and create anaerobic conditions. Leave about 2 to 3 centimeters of headspace at the top. You should ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Taste once daily until you like the tang, then move the jar to the refrigerator to slow fermentation and develop depth. Cold storage below 4 degrees Celsius preserves flavor for weeks to months. Use clean utensils to avoid contamination. If something goes wrong, act quickly. If white calm yeast forms, skim it off. If fuzzy-colored mold appears, discard the batch. If it's too salty, soak small portions in water briefly to reduce salt.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.